Hey besties, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lara Savage. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe to the channel, like this video, share it in and outside your circle. Guys, I've been into showing you guys hacks on how to use your manual sewing machine. And in my previous video, I showed you guys how to use this straight stitch to work on a stretchy fabric. And guys, that is a game changer. If you've not seen it, I advise you to go and check it out. Now in this video I noticed my stitch length, this part right here was loose. Like it was so loose that anytime I put it down so that I can continue sewing downwards, the latch right here keeps going up by itself instead of staying down. So in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how I solved that issue. It was so annoying and I solved it, and I'm going to show you guys how I solved it. So can you guys see that when I finished sewing, this was down to the end. You can see how it has come to the center right here, and it's not good at all. So guys, how I fixed it was that I used my screwdriver and I opened up this part right here. So there are two screws on the top and on the bottom. What you're going to do is you're going to unscrew it, and then remove the plate that is right there. Now guys, I have unscrewed it. Can you guys see on the inside there's another screw right there? You are going to tighten this screw. Now in my case, I tried to tighten it, but I think the screw itself was already loose, like it was already thinner than the space right there. So I removed it entirely. And then in my tool kit that came with my machine, there was this extra screw that was there and it fits perfectly. Now, if you notice that it's still loose even after doing that, we're going to go to the side of this machine. So from the wheel, there's another screw on the side. Can you guys see the screwdriver where it's going to? So you're going to start tightening that screw. That screw is actually loose. When I tried it, I saw that it was really loose. So I just, tightened it continuously. So tighten it till it's really extremely tight. Now guys, I have tightened it. Can you see how hard it is for it to even go down? That is how it should be. It should be hard to go down so that when you're sewing, it's not going to be lifting by itself. So that's what you should aim for. So after doing this, you're now going to reinsert the plate and then screw it down right there, and you're basically done. Now if you notice that even after that it keeps like getting a bit loose, you can keep tightening it, or use a longer screwdriver that can really easily get that side screw and screw it tight, like extremely tight. Is going to help you a lot, because you don't want to be sewing a long stitch and it's lifting up to be sewing a very short stitch, or you want to sew a short stitch and it's just not staying. So that's how I solved this particular issue. I hope you guys learned a lot from this video. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe to the channel. I have so many more hacks, many sewing tutorials, and so many things already on the channel and coming out on the channel. And yes guys, that's all I have for this video. Joining as a member of the channel, membership helps the channel a lot. And until my next video, do have yourself a wonderful morning, noon or night, wherever you are. It's still your favorite content creator and fashion entrepreneur, Lara Savage, signing out.